Nebraska, January 12, 1888. The morning felt strangely warm for winter. Children went to school coatless. By noon, a disaster struck. A deadly blizzard roared down from Canada. Temperatures plunged to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. In a one-room schoolhouse, 19-year-old teacher Minnie Freeman heard the roof groan, then lift. The door burst open, snow exploding inside. Rescue was impossible. So Minnie did the unthinkable. She tied her 13 students together with rope, wrapped them in blankets, and stepped into the white void. Zero visibility. Frozen air burning their lungs. Every step a fight. But she never let go of the rope. Finally, she saw a farmhouse. Warmth. Safety. Every child alive. The press called her the Nebraska Heroine.